Use this display settings to save battery life of your Android phone. Go to Settings. Go to Display and Brightness. Turn the dark mode on. Dark mode will help saving your battery life. Now turn off adaptive brightness because adaptive brightness drains your battery too much. Turn off auto rotate screen. It also drains battery by unexpectedly moving the screen in horizontal or vertical way. Go to screen color mode. Turn the settings to natural. Now go back to auto screen off. And turn the timer to minimum. It will save your battery life.